Good morning, friends. We welcome architect Nishil Shetty to our showroom at Marshall's Elite Worli. Architect Nishil Shetty heads the firm Nishil Shetty Consultants. Their tagline is Freedom to Create. Welcome, sir, to Marshall's, and we would want to know from you, sir, how did you get inspired to take up architecture as a subject?
Well, architecture to me was purely an accident, and I think I'm very happy to have met with this accident. And it's been 2 decades we're in the field of doing works for some good clients of ours. And over the years, what we've experienced is our biggest teachers have been our clients, and through them we have learned and we've grown. And we are very grateful to our clients for having taught us. And today, whoever we are as people is essentially because of our clients. Design to us always meant that we need to give back to society what it has given us. So one of the key drivers in our organization is today sustainability. And as a firm, we've always believed that anything which is time tested, which stands test of time, which sustains over a period of time, is good design. And I think that's what we have really strived for all throughout our journey as architects and designers. On the interior side, on the architecture side, we're fortunate to have clients who've given us the chance to work for high-rise developments. We're working on a lot of high-rise buildings in Mumbai, outside Bombay, commercial structures. We've done some institutes for some trust where we have really applied the principle of solar passive architecture. So essentially, as a firm, we are well-rounded in terms of doing good architecture, good design. Interiors has always been our prime focus. Architecture has also been our prime focus, but with a completely different approach in terms of the way we work with our clients. Yeah.
So which, between a residential or a commercial job, which one, or a hospitality, which one is more satisfying in terms of the creative input that one can give?
I think all three are good. All three are very challenging. When we work with a residential client, it's a completely different ballgame. It's a completely different experience because through them we understand emotions as to how people live and how people want to live. So we need to probably, most of the time, we step out of our shoes and we get into their shoes and understand where they come from, what exactly they want, and why do they want that. He could be a traveler, he could be a world traveler, he could be a very creative person, or he could be a very hard-nosed businessman. So we work with all kinds of clients in the residential segment. We do selective homes, we don't do too many homes, but we're very happy to do homes for those clients whom we have worked with so far. So that's how it's been. Offices has been extremely challenging in terms of time management, in terms of good design and time.
Right.
So these are all things. So there is a strategy which is applied in terms of how we work on our designs, how we move forward, and how we're able to deliver to our clients on time.
So, sir, typically, how much time would a 10,000 square foot showroom or an office?
An office of 10,000 square foot, it's possible to do in 60 days if managed. If managed well, if you're able to be, getting decisions from the clients, which we hope to do at the beginning of the project, and when we do that, we are able to complete the project in 60 days. And we have done, I think, we are proud to have done a lot of projects within the time frame.
Sir, I think this could be a very big USP because, with property costs being so high, and the challenge is to achieve getting the project completed in the shortest time possible. So 2 months is unbelievable.
Every single client who comes to you comes with a tag, which is the value of the property he has bought and he owns. And especially in Mumbai, where real estate prices are so high, he's either paying a high rent,
yes,
or he has already invested a lot of money in owning that property.
Right.
And besides his long-term growth and his short-term plans, both are imperative for us to understand, for us to give him essentially what he wants, and also on time. And I think that's something we've achieved successfully over the last 15 to 20 years in the field of corporates. We worked with large multinationals, we worked with large corporations, and we're fortunate to have all of them with us still.
Great. So which has been your most challenging job so far?
That's a difficult question, but an easy one to answer. Because when you say which is the most challenging, I think every project is challenging, very challenging to us. Uh, Depends again uh, the essence of what we're giving in that project. You know, when you're doing a commercial job, we're giving a job which is office, cabins, partitions, complete technology, applied technology on that. And when you're doing a design which is very sensitive to a particular social cause, like you've designed an institute for a trust. Now that was very challenging for us because that's something which we felt the trust which we were working for was giving back to society. So we felt that we also needed to give back to society. So I think that was a very challenging job for us, and we've done well on that, and we succeeded in doing that. It was basically a biotech institute for a particular trust who are basically into tissue technology, and we're inviting farmers from all over Maharashtra to come train the technology and go back to the villages and able to impart that knowledge which they've gained here in their daily livelihood. So in terms of sustainability, the farmers, there's been a lot of sense. So that was in sense a very nice, very interesting, and a very challenging project we have done. Otherwise, we've done schools, we're working on some good hotels, residences, offices.
I think the complete portfolio.
Yes.
So what could be your dream project which you would love to work on in time to come? Having done so much already.
A museum.
Wow.
A museum maybe for marshals. Really, because I think you as a as I always mentioned that it's important to stand the test of time, and I think your company has stood the test of time, and I think very happy to be associated, to have come here today, and given whatever I could share all my inputs to you, and what products you've given, and I think that's very important. So wishing you all the best too.
Great, sir. Thank you so much. Pleasure having you over.